Good evening, friends. Here we see the small point that differentiate SN1 reaction and SN2 reaction. First point is the starting material. Here in SN1 reaction we use tertiary alkyl halide. Tertiary alkyl halide. Pure tertiary alkyl halide gives SN1 reaction. Here, pure primary alkyl halide gives SN2 reaction. Next point, here in SN1 reaction we use polar protic solvent. Polar protic solvent. Here we use polar aprotic solvent. Polar aprotic solvent. Example is here. Polar protic solvent, water. Again, methanol. Again, ethanol, etc. These are the polar protic solvents. Is here. Okay. In SN2 reaction, which polar aprotic solvent is it? See, here is acetone. Again, here is DMSO. Again, here is DMF. N-dimethyl formamide, DMF. Dimethyl sulfoxide and dimethyl ketone is the acid. These are the polar aprotic solvent. Means here is a proton. This solvent release proton in reaction mechanism. Here there is a no proton free to release by the solvents. Means these are the polar molecules. But why these molecules are polar? Here is a electronegativity difference. We know very well that oxygen gains the electron from this carbon atom and forms dead negative charge. Here is dead positive charge. Means there is a polarity. There is a polar bond is there. Here is the polarity again. Means water shows this type of polarity. Means these are the polar. But in solution, this H plus ions means these are the protic. Means gives H plus ions in solution. Means these solvents are protic solvents. But here is no proton to free in solution. Why? Because here is a proton attached to direct carbon atom and carbon hydrogen bond are stronger bond than the oxygen hydrogen bond. Here oxygen hydrogen bond is here. Means these bonds are weak bond as compared to carbon hydrogen bond and this easily releasing reaction mechanism. Means here is a polar protic solvent are used in SN1 reaction. Here is polar aprotic solvent are used in SN2 reaction. These 2 points that differentiate completely SN2 reactions. Again, there is some points which we will discuss here. Third point that distinguish SN1 and SN2 reactions completely. That is carbocation. Formation of carbocation. In SN1 reaction, there is a formation of carbocation. Means in SN1 reaction there is a carbocation is generated. Carbocation generated होता है. Here no carbocation. Why? We know here is a tertiary alkyl halide in SN1 reaction. Here is a primary alkyl halide. Means we know example, that is, suppose these are the tertiary alkyl halide. Here is a methyl group, CH3, 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 and cis Cl bond is here. Here is a tertiary alkyl halide. When it releases chlorine minus ions in the solution and formations of such a type of species, that is a carbocation, and these carbocation are stable. Why? Because this is the tertiary. These donate electron to this carbon atom. These 3 methyl group donate electron to this carbon atom, and this is the stable carbocation. Means SN1 reaction, there is a stability of carbocation is present. Okay? And due to that stability of carbocation, there is a rate determining state is a formation of this carbocation. We know very well. Rate determining state is formation of carbocation. Here is no carbocation generated. Why? Because here we use simply primary alkyl halide. Suppose here is a chlorine atom, formation of such a type of species. These are unstable as compared to this, because here is 3 hydrogen atom that donate electrons. Here is 3 methyl group, bulkier group that donates electrons. Means these species are stable than this species. This is impossible in reaction mechanism formation of methyl carbocations. Okay, and due to that, in SN1 reaction, formation of carbocation takes place. In SN2 reaction, there is no carbocation formation. This is the third point. Again, fourth point. Here, fourth point here is nucleophiles. Nucleophiles. In SN1 reaction, we use weak nucleophiles. Weak nucleophiles like H2. These are the weak nucleophiles. Again, CH3, OH, methanol. Weak nucleophiles is here CH3O minus. Methoxide. Okay, methoxide ion. Here is OH minus ion. Okay. Again, here is ethanol. That is, here is again, this is the species that acting as a nucleophile in SN1 reaction. Means here is a weak nucleophile is there. The formation of carbocation takes place, and then these nucleophiles attack on this carbocation, formation of product is takes place. In SN2 reaction, what happens? There is a strong nucleophile. Strong nucleophiles like NaOH means OH minus, Na plus. OH minus is the nucleophile. Again, KOH, OH minus. Again, EH, and EH means thiol. Again, pH, yes, thiophenol. Again, KCN, cyanide. These are the strong nucleophiles. Means in SN2 reaction we use strong nucleophile. In SN1 reaction we use weak nucleophiles. These are the some points that differentiate SN2 reaction or SN1 reactions. Let us see the examples that shows SN1 reaction as well as SN2 reactions. Questions. CH3, Cl, CH3, pH, CH3, Cl. Which molecules shows SN1 reaction and which molecule shows SN2 reaction? Definitely, here is a primary alkyl halide, means shows SN2 reactions. Here, this is the tertiary alkyl halide, means definitely it shows the SN1 reactions. Okay. What is the conditions for SN2 and SN1 reactions? Here, we use KCN. Okay, potassium cyanide. Potassium cyanide. Okay. Here we use simply water molecules and DMF is the solvent in soil. Okay. What will be the product? Product is the CH3 CN methyl cyanide. Again, here is the product CH3 methyl, here is methyl, here is phenyl, and here is, which is the nucleophile is here? OH minus, means water gives OH minus ion, and that is the nucleophile acting in SN1 reaction, means here is an attachment of OH. Here is formation of alcohol. Here is a formation of cyanide, cyanidated compound, methyl cyanide. Okay, this is the reaction. But what happened in such an example like which reactions shown by these molecules? हा molecule कुठल्या प्रकारच्या reaction दाखवू शकतो, whether it is SN1 or SN2. There is this molecule shows SN1 as well as SN2 reactions. This molecule shows SN1 and SN2 reaction. Why SN1? Because there is a formation of carbocation. Here is a formation of carbocation. Okay, this is the primary carbocation, but here is a resonance stabilization is there. Means benzyl group is there, and this benzene donate electron. There is a formation of double bond character in this molecules like this, and here is a positive charge. Means this positive charge stabilized by this benzene ring, and there is formation of carbocation, and stable carbocation is there, and due to that there is a possibility for the SN1 reactions. Again, what happened? SN2 reaction again. Here is the formation of primary carbocation. Here is attack of strong nucleophile takes place and formation of product. Means here is condition decided, not this molecule decided whether this reaction SN1 or SN2 reactions, but condition. What will be the condition, or what condition is here? Suppose here is giving KCN and DMA. Okay, and here is CH3OH, methanol. See, this condition decided whether this molecules gives SN1 reaction or SN2 reactions. Suppose here is we use weak nucleophiles, methanol, and methanol is the solvent in this reaction. Means definitely this molecules use SN1 reactions. Okay, here we use KCN as strong nucleophile. DMF is the polar aprotic solvent. Means this condition decided there is a formation of SN2 reactions. Means condition decided whether these molecules gives SN1 reaction or SN2 reactions. Okay, means suppose whenever there is a confusion in starting material, check the conditions. What should be the condition is there? Okay, suppose here is a strong nucleophile, means definitely strong nucleophile decided SN2 reactions. Here is a DMF, polar aprotic solvent, means this polar aprotic solvent also favors the SN2 reactions. Here is methanol, simply methanol is here, means methanol is the nucleophile as well as solvent in this reaction, means definitely this decided SN1 reactions. Okay, means what is the product? Here, what is the product? Suppose here is a product. Here is CN. Okay, this is the product for SN2 reactions. SN2 reaction. Here is a SN1 reaction. What is the product? Here is this is the nucleophiles. OCH3 is the nucleophile, not a OH minus. Not a OH minus. here is the nucleophile is OCH3. This is the nucleophile attack on this carbocations. Okay, suppose here is OCH3. This is the SN1 product and this is the SN2 product. Means whenever confusion in starting material, check the condition, and this condition decided whether this reaction is SN1 or SN2 reaction. Pure primary alkyl halide gives SN2 reaction. Pure tertiary alkyl halide gives SN1 reaction. Pure primary alkyl halide gives SN2 reaction. But there is a confusion in starting material. There, then check whether the condition is favors SN1 reaction or SN2 reactions. Here is the example. Okay. Here is example for practice. Suppose SN1, SN2. Next example. What is the product? Product आम्हाला या ठिकाणी काढायचं आहे आणि काही प्रॉब्लेम असेल तर कमेंट सेक्शनमध्ये विचारून घ्यायचे. ठीक आहे. दोन एक्झाम्पल तुम्हाला सॉल्व करण्यासाठी दिलेले आहेत. ओके, आपण या ठिकाणी आज थांबू. थँक्यू.